Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I have to do a little mail call. I got it from Butcher's blog, and we did a little trade. He got one of my nice little logo locks, and he sent me some of his homemade picks. So let's see. I already opened it up, so make sure there are no details to see. Don't want to dox him or me. And he sent me some nice milky chocolate, caramel, Cadbury. Thank you so much. I will share that with my wife, not with my son, because he's not yet in the age for chocolate. Alright, very nicely wrapped. And let's see what we got here. Oh, it's heavy. Heavy packaging, but looks very secure. So let's open it up. Ooh, very nice. And there's a second one in. Well, get them out really quick. They look nice. Right. Put this back in there. Let's have a look. Oh, fits really very nice finish. Let me zoom in a little. Very nice piece of work. This little window in here, it's pretty cool. It looks like brass. It's a great finish. Very cool. It's beautiful, very beautiful. So let's check out the second one. Yeah, this one I switched for this one, and he gave me an extra because he was a little late with the package. So thank you so much for the extra one. It's also very nicely done. Look at the brass here, the lining. Great quality. I like that a lot. I have a diamond, pretty cool. So let's see if I can quickly find something to pick. Try to pick it. Alright, I got an American look here. Nice rotation here. Very open. So I was keep oversetting number 3 or 4. I don't know. But as you can see, it works really nicely. Good feeling. Good in the hand. And half a diamond. I will find some locks for you as well. That might work. Now I need my tensioning tool. Where is it? There it is. Here we go. Huh. Okay, I might pick the... No, it's... This lock is too small for that pick. Let's see what else maybe. Anyways, got too many locks. Well, doesn't matter. I will for sure use this one and this as well. Thank you so much, bLock, for sending me these two beauties of yours. It's awesome work. And if you want to get one of these these picks made by bLock, get in contact with him. He offers them for a reasonable price, or you also can trade. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.